Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be taking a look at my last inflatable purchase of the season, at least before the after Halloween clearance, and that is the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man from Ghostbusters, which is going to round out my Ghostbusters themed display. I was very excited about it. I actually wanted to find one that I'd seen in the past that's the really giant one that's like 12 feet tall, but those are on the used market and go for like $400. It was crazy. I found this one on eBay for far less than that. I think it was about $100. He is 8 feet tall, so it's a compromise. There's one out brand new, I believe it was at Walmart this year, that was 5 feet tall. So that seemed a little small for me. I'm hoping this guy might look a little gigantic if I put him just on a little bit of a hill. But again, I bought him on eBay and the seller had like dozens of them for sale. So the display or the advertisement did not indicate that it was a used product, but the shape of this box leads me to believe that maybe it is, which, you know, it's eBay, so that doesn't surprise me, but it wasn't listed as used. But maybe the box is just all beat up from transit. I don't know. I guess we'll find out here in a moment. I also wasn't thrilled that they put all these shipping labels right on my box. So maybe that's why it was, it's all beat up. I don't know. They should have put it in an extra box, I think. But let's go ahead and cut it open and take a look inside. Okay, so inside we have at least some unused stakes, so that's a good sign. However, the adapter is already put together, so usually they come in the little plug part comes in a separate box, so I'm not sure. And the guy itself is not in an interior plastic bag. So I really don't know if this is new or used, but hopefully it's going to inflate just the same either way. Let's go ahead and take it outside and see. All right, we'll go ahead and pull him out of the box here. All right. Got a nice little face. I don't see any staining, so I do think he's new. So that's good. Let's go ahead and plug him in and see how he looks. All right, while that inflates, let's see what the box says. Includes ropes and stakes. I see some lights in here. The box doesn't indicate if he lights up or not, but I mean, what inflatable doesn't light up? So, all right. Plugs in, inflates in seconds. It's a Morbid Enterprises prop, 8 feet tall. We're going to be able to compare it somewhat to my ghost here, who's 12 feet tall. And I'm hoping when we put him on the hill here, he'll look a little taller. So it is one of those props with just a tiny little fan in the back. So I think this is going to take a few minutes to inflate. Okay, with the zipper closed, he'll probably inflate a little faster. All right, there we go. So he does have weights in each of his feet, but I don't think that's going to be good enough to hold him up. So let me go ahead and tether him in place on my hill and we'll take a closer look. Right, so even on the hill, he's not quite as tall as his brother over there. But as we move in closer, you can see that evil little grin of his, looming large and high. He's got the nice Stay Puft logo on his hat. It's a bit of fabric here, it's a little wrinkly, but I think that'll work itself out. And this little red tie is adjustable, so you can knot it however you like. There was the one zipper on the foot I noticed that we needed to adjust. I didn't see if there was one on the other foot. I'm hoping there is. The loops to tether it are on each side about halfway up. Oddly, only 2 of the strings came with clips. There are also 2 tethers on the back of each foot, well, 1 on the back of each foot, and here you can see the tiny little fan in the back, which can get blocked easily if you deflate him and then want to inflate him again. On the back here, he does have an official logo, copyright 2020. I'm not sure a copyright notice is that nice to have right so visible on your prop, but I don't suppose many people will see the back of him. His little hand only has 4 fingers. There he is. All right, he's a little bit leaning forward. I think that might be a result of my tethering job, but I do like it how he's kind of like looming at you. Hopefully that'll give the children a little bit of a scare, but the only thing now is to wait for it to get a little bit darker so we can see what he looks like at nighttime. All right, here at night, he's got a pretty good glow. I think most of that's just because there's so much white material, it just is very reflective, but it looks like he's got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 lights inside, and it's a little bit unfortunate placement. Like you can really tell there's a dot like right in his forehead, and then you can see the light train goes down and into one leg. So one leg's a little bit brighter than the other, but overall he's not too bad. I guess he could have been a little better with some lighting in the arms, but with some exterior lighting as we've got, I think he shows up pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with him. Now it's just hopefully the little kids know who he is. But let me know, what do you think in the comments below. Hopefully he fits in with my apparition alley over here. And that'll do it for today. So stay tuned. As we get closer to Halloween, we'll be doing a walkthrough, and I look forward to showing you all of the fun ghosts in the display. So thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and happy haunting.